Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Matt. Today guys, we're going to take a look at 5 commonly used words that we use like almost all the time, and I'm going to give you synonyms to those words so you can make your English more interesting and more kind of attractive, right? So stop using those words guys and enrich your English, make your speech better and more interesting. So let's begin with the word number 1. Of course, and that is beautiful. So how can we replace beautiful? There are other words such as attractive, such as good looking. For boys or guys, we can use handsome. Also, you can say just nice or even pretty. So any of those you can use instead of beautiful. She is pretty, not she's beautiful, he is beautiful, this is beautiful, and so on. You can say she's pretty, he is handsome, she is good looking, this car is nice, and so on, guys. Get going everybody, and the second word we have for today is good, and that is probably one of the, well, maybe is the most commonly used word in the world, and I'm just sick of it. So let's have a look at some synonyms to that. We have such word as well, fine, nice again, great, fantastic, superior, awesome. There are just a lot of synonyms. I named just a little of them. So you can use any of those words to finally replace the word good and never ever use it again. And the word number 3 guys is bad, and it is pretty bad to use that word guys all the time. Better to use such words as poor, awful, terrible, or horrible. They're kind of more powerful than bad, so sometimes you can use this one, but better to just take turns, right? Sometimes you use one word, sometimes another. Moving to the word number 4, and that is happy. And how can we finally replace that word that we hear every freaking day? We can use such words as cheerful. So she's cheerful, I'm cheerful today, they are cheerful. We can say joyful, almost the same as cheerful, right? We can say merry, the same as in Merry Christmas. So she's merry, I'm merry, and so on. Or you can say thrilled. I am thrilled today. It's more like you're excited, but still it's kind of synonym to happy. And the last adjective we have for today guys is sad. And how can we replace that one? Super simple. The first one and the easiest one is unhappy. Well, it sounds maybe even worse than sad, but you can use it sometimes. Also, we have such word as upset. Also, you can use depressed or miserable. So it's up to you which one to use, or just take turns again. Don't use one word all the time. You can just use this one time, use another one another time, and so on. This is all for our today's synonyms, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was useful for you. Now try to use those words in your everyday life, in your everyday conversations, to make your English more interesting, more like attractive to other people, and they are going to like you, and native speakers are going to respect you more. Now don't forget to smash your likes under this video, guys, if you liked it, dislikes if you didn't like, leave some comments for me down below, and subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time. I'm posting a lot of videos like all the time, guys, so you can learn a lot of English from me.